Hey, welcome back, man. Rolling in hot. We just pulled on this property. This manager, evidently she's got something that she needs towed. They've got a mechanic working on property, and I think she's had issues with this same guy. They really can't have mechanics working on the vehicles. So she's gonna tow this one. It was on jacks yesterday, but and I'm not hating on anybody working on their cars. I'm not gonna hate on anybody. That people just people have to abide by the complex rules. Anyway, I did talk to the manager and got my ticket signed. These are cars he's working on. He's been bringing multiple cars in and out of here for 3 months. And she said she's going to tow every single car that he brings in here to work on. Doing a wheel lift dolly call. All this thing's, it's a Challenger and a parking deck. It's backed in. We're gonna go there and nab it. Pardon.
Yes, sir. I don't know about it.
I'm gonna try to figure out how to get out of your way. I'm probably gonna have to pull back out, but I'll let you out. I'll get you out.
Okay, cool.
Yep. Yep. Anyway, Eddie said he was a real nice guy. Extremely nice guy. He just got caught parking in the wrong area, and I don't think he even realized that he wasn't supposed to park there. According to Eddie, Eddie didn't think that he knew that he wasn't supposed to be where he was parked at. Anyway, stay tuned. on another impound call. This one's a storefront. Somebody's probably parked out front of the storefront and trying to sell their car or something funny. It's him right here. What's going on, buddy? Yeah.
I ran out of gas, but I just got a gas can.
How long has it been here? You know?
Not even an hour or so. I got my check now. I got my check fixed. I can run up here. That's what I did. I ran out of gas trying to get to this Wells Fargo.
Yeah.
I got to Wells Fargo. They called the check and it wouldn't. It was 4 cents off. So I ran down to my job. It's right here off Friendship, and I got a gas can and they fixed my check issue. So now I got my check and I put a little gas in, but it wasn't enough. I just couldn't walk in the bank with the gas can.
I got you.
You know what I'm saying? So if I could
well, they called me. Somebody called over here to tow it because they didn't know whose car it was, or you know, it's private property. If you were over there, it'd be different.
If I push it out.
Yeah, you push it. If you can push it out, man, you good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, I ain't trying to make it hard on you. I'm just. I can't leave here. I can't leave here. Have them call me leave the car.
Okay. Well, how the hell am I gonna push it over there? I can push it out and then I'll roll backwards or something. So I just ain't got enough gas, man. I just put the last little bit of gas.
I mean, you don't have no gas at all?
No, that's all it is. It had like I put $1.40 something I had in change in my pocket in my gas can.
Yeah. Listen, here's like $1 something and change. I'd go get gas, man. Go get some gas. I'm gonna knock on this door and see if I can get anybody to come to the door.
Is there any way you could call this, or like, can I use my shit's out of service today?
Yeah, well, I mean, hey, right now, if you can get gas in this car and get it moved, it'll save you from towing it.
Oh, you ain't gonna tow it, you promise?
I'm not gonna tow it right this second. I'm gonna tell them what's going on. You're really out of gas.
Yes, sir, that's it.
Yeah, you ain't been parking on this property a lot, have you?
No, hell no, it's the first time I just ran right here.
Okay, all right.
Hell
yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm gonna knock on the door and ask them to talk to them. Anyway, I'm gonna give this guy a couple of minutes, man, to go across the street and get him $1.50 in gas. If that car don't crank up with that gas, I'm gonna have to tow it. I'm not trying to get hung up out here on a situation where somebody ran out of gas. I don't know what the guy's story is. I don't know. I just ain't trying to tow no car. Somebody in the car is very time consuming to deal with it. So I'm gonna give him an opportunity to put some gas in his car. If it don't crank, then I'll have to tow it. But if he can get it out of here, man, I'll go by next call.
I just ran out of gas.
Yeah, listen, I don't have any cash, man. I'd give you a $10 bill. You know what I'm saying? I don't have any cash, right? I gave you bills.
Man, I ain't got none either, and I know how it feels. But
yeah.
It ain't even a car. I ain't got a car either. But
yeah, hey, don't park. I wouldn't park over here again, cause they'll tow it.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, they will.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man. Hey, I try to roll it back level. And see if it'll. Cause see, it's on a hill right now. Roll it back level. Just roll it back in that spot where it was at. Okay. And then try to crank it, because it'll be more level.
Okay.
Yeah. situation like that. I don't know his story. I don't know what the deal is. I know he was out of gas. It was true, he was out of gas. But if he doesn't, he runs out of gas again on that property or breaks down, he's done. He needs to stay off that property because they don't like his car being on their property. And that's how this business works. If they don't want your car there, hey, they can't tow it. Anyway, stay tuned.